So guys, I'm Shresh Parzane. You come my in YouTube channel Dnyandeep Tutorials. So guys, in today's section we are learning about the trick of triple 11. So guys, in today's section, so let's go to start. So guys, we are learning. I will teach you this. Okay. So guys, suppose I took three numbers upper. Okay, suppose 256 multiply by Willow's number is triple 11. Okay. So that time this trick is best trick. So suppose I will take here 256 multiply by 11 and here 256 multiply by 11. Okay guys, so I will solve this trick by this trick. I will solve this trick by 3-digit crisscross. Okay, and I will solve this trick by school way. Okay, so I will solve this by this trick. So 6. First I will told you that how to solve it. Okay, so 6. So write as it is this 6. Next 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? 11. 1 carry over 1 guys. So 6 plus 5 plus 2. We have to do 6 plus 5 plus 2. So 6 plus 5 11 plus 2 13 plus 1 14. 4 carry over 1. So now addition these two numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus this one 8. And this last one is 2. Okay, so just move to our trick. Means just move to our comparison. So guys, just start. 3, 2, 1, go, start. 6 plus 5 guys, 11, 1 carry over 1. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 1, 14. Carry over 1, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 as it is. Guys, our answers come only 5 seconds. Okay, so just come to this trick. 6 ones are 6. 5 ones are 5 plus 6 ones are 6, 11. Carry over 1. 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6, 8. Okay, 5 ones are 5 plus 5, 13 plus this 1, 14, 4. Carry over 1. So 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5, 7 plus this one 8. 2 ones are 2. Okay guys, how many seconds? 8 to 10 seconds. Now this school way. Okay, so 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2, 0. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2. Okay, so double 0. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 6, 1 2 are 2. Just add it. 6 plus 11 carry 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 5 8 plus 6 14 carry 1 plus 2 3 plus 5 8 2 as it is. Means guys, you can see that 28,416 here we have 25 to 30 seconds. So guys, you can calculate the distance between this time. Only here 5 seconds. How much? 5 seconds. Here 8 to 10 seconds and here lots of 25 to 30 seconds guys. So what is the difference? Time is also saving us because in competitive exam we have to so less time. Okay guys, so and next one is that accuracy. Okay, so here sometime we think that it will be right or wrong. Okay guys, so that thing. So guys, you can see that this is very important trick guys. So just now do some practice. Okay, so guys, I will just rough it fast. So guys, we will just solve it. Okay, so I will just take here 293 multiply by 111. Okay, so 3 as it is. 9 plus 3, how many? 12. 3 plus 9, 12. Sorry, carry over 1. 3 plus 9, 12. Plus 2, 14. Plus 1, 15. Carry over again 1. So 9 plus 2, 11. Plus 1, 12. Carry over again 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Our answer has come guys. Very simple, very cerebral. So guys, take one another example. I will took here 758. Okay guys. So 8 as it is. 8 plus 5, 13 guys. How much? 13. So write 3 carry over 1. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 1, 21 carry over 2. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14. Carry over, guys. 1. How much? 1. 7 plus 1. 8. Your answer has come, guys. Yeah, guys, you can also see that how simple this is trick. So, guys, in next lecture we are learning about trick of 1 1 1 1. 1111. Okay, guys. So in this lecture, next part we are learning about this trick. So guys, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please press the like button and subscribe our video, because guys, in this next lecture we are learning about the trick of 1 1 1 1. Okay, guys. So for seeing this trick, just subscribe for our video. Okay, guys. So till goodbye. Thank you.